Kalasalingam Institute of Technology, approved by AICTE New Delhi, affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. The vision of the college is to evolve as Center of Excellence of national repute in engineering education and contribute towards rural development. And the mission is to provide technically competent, socially committed engineers through proper blend of training in interdisciplinary domain and ethics for providing knowledge support for the rural community. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources on the internet only for the information purpose. User is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered are Computer Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Civil Engineering, and Information Technology. The cutoff marks for various castes and various departments: for OC 97 to 139, for BCM 123 to 138, for BC 88 to 114, for MBC 89 to 92, and for SC 84 to 108. The facilities are: the library of KIT is to provide information services and access to print and e-resources to support the scholarly and informational needs of the institute community. The fully computerized library is well equipped with modern facilities and resources in the form of books, prints, and e-journals, CD-ROMs, and online databases. Sports: the Sports and Games Department has an international standard athletic track of 400 meters with 8 lanes. Athletic track is fully equipped with accessories like 80 hurdles, pole vault, high jump mat, and other accessories for running, jumping, throwing, etc. And the other sport facilities are cricket grounds, football ground, hockey ground, volleyball court, basketball courts, kabaddi court, ball badminton courts, throw ball court, tennis court, coco court, parallel bar, and horizontal bar. Hostels: and hostel for men with capacity of 250 students and hostel for women with capacity of 300 students are located within the campus. Tasty and healthy food is served in hygienic environment. The hostel room booking will be done in online only. Room booking is based on first come first serve basis. And for any clarification regarding hostel stay, contact 9442504329. And the other facilities at college are swimming pool, bank, ATM, canteen, healthcare, and transport. The placement details are shown on the screen, and the major recruiters are Amazon, JustPay, Ernst & Young, Infoview, Byju's Learning App, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Mobile, Hexaware, Vuelam, Sellergo, TNQ, Mobius, GoFrugal, Breeza Technologies, GIC, Magus, RWD, Shree Consultants, Vyaska, HGS, Kotak Mahindra, Exceler.com, SoftSquare, Vernalis, and many more. Result comparison from 2013 to 2018. 60% in 2013, 54 in 2014, 61 in 2015, 60 in 2016, 62% in 2017, and again 59 in 2018. College counseling code is 4991. Contact college at 04563 2999530 or 04563 Website is http://kite-edu.in. College is located in Anand Nagar, Krishnan Kovil, 626126, Srivilliputtur, Virudhunagar district, Tamil Nadu. And the mail ID is kitprl@yahoo.com.